Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about control shortcuts. Computer shortcuts. Control shortcut is A to Z. Control plus A select all. Control plus B bold. Control plus C copy. Control plus V paste. Control plus X cut. Control plus D font style. Control plus E align to the center. Control plus F find the text. Control plus G find and replace option. Control H find and replace. Control I italic. Control J justify. Control plus K insert link. Control plus L align your content to the left. Control M paragraph indent. Control N open new page. Control O open option. Next, Control P for print. Control Q clear the indent paragraph. Control plus R allow your content to the right. Control S save. Control plus T hanging indent. Control plus U underline. Control plus W close document. Control plus Y use for redo. Control plus Z use for undo. Thank you for watching guys. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel.